What's going on, guys? It's Jairaj, and it's time for tech news. India's PM Shri Narendra Modi gives challenge to Indian user to promote homegrown apps. ISRO Mangalyaan captures image of biggest moon of Mars named Phobos. A kid from Punjab, India used 16 lakh Indian rupees or about 21,000 US dollar for PUBG in microtransactions and deleted the messages sent from the bank so that his parent won't know it. Due to this, that kid is now sent to work at repair shop because he wasted all his parents' saving. Disclaimer for kids: don't waste money on game until it's necessary, and before doing the transaction ask your parents. Bridgestone teams up with Microsoft to innovate with an intelligent tire monitoring system for enhanced safety and to deploy a world's first monitoring system for detecting tire damage issue in real time, as tire issues are serious matter contributing to some 30% of all car accidents. Twitter seemingly confirmed users won't be getting most requested feature, the edit button. Twitter tweeted on its official account, you can have the edit button when everyone wears a mask. BSNL, an Indian company, has done great job by giving 5 GB daily data for 599 Indian rupees or around $8 for 90 days. The only Indian company can do this. This makes me think to switch to BSNL from Geo. Reports are coming that Apple won't be giving charger in the box in its upcoming iPhone models. And for further confirmation, Apple is asking its customer, what do you do with the charger that you get in the box? If Apple makes this move, all Android manufacturers will start making fun of Apple for it, only for copying that same step and forgetting what they have said previously. In short and sweet, if Apple does something, people will start making meme about it and then they will make it trend. If you want to know what are advantages of making this change, my friend MKBHT made this video explaining it. Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is got in 3C certification with Snapdragon 865, 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal. We are living in the world where laptops are having less RAM than small 6-inch Android devices. Rumors are coming that TikTok might get banned in Australia. If this happens globally, then TikTok will be in great slumber. Google releases noise cancellation for Google Meet in India. If you were having problem with video conferencing due to noise, you can use this feature. Samsung brings its WhatsApp support in India so that you don't need to call customer care now for your queries. You can simply WhatsApp your queries. LG is planning to increase its smartphone production by 15% in India. Therefore, we are heading towards the future in which we will be seeing made in India written behind almost each and every smartphone. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra images are leaked by Samsung's Ukraine website, and rumors suggest that Note 20 Ultra will be extremely costly. That means this time instead of Apple releasing the costliest model, it would be Samsung. Google's FitBit takeover probed by EU regulators. This means Google needs to wait for world domination. The UK's House of the Lord Gambling Committee says that loot boxes should be regulated under the gambling classification as a game of chance. If a product looks like gambling, feels like gambling, then it should be regulated like gambling. This sounds fair, so we can go back to bank emptying microtransactions. If you like this video, share and subscribe to JD Tech Link. Don't forget, I am going to bring more interesting news like this every week.